Thank you so much, VC Mamta. Thank you for the kind words. Good morning, everybody. Namaste, salam, assalamu alaikum, wanakam. 9 years back, I started this journey as a as a as a confused soul who had no goal in life, no ambition in life. I'm so grateful to Dato Sri Japadas Bismarck and Chief, our beloved Chief, for making me believe in this opportunity, for creating this beautiful platform and making me, a moron, have my own dream. I still remember my first week on. I think that was the time when I decided mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, this is my path. So today, I would love to share something which is what my journey is all about. This is the most commonly used word and everybody talks about this, but I realize this is the crux of this journey so far, and that's called change. Now, I know everybody talks about change. You must have heard from your uplines. It's all about the internal change and the external change, the mindset change. But trust me, guys, till the time we don't really understand why this is so important, we will not make that journey. Because what I was before this business and what I am today and what I will become is completely different. And that change is so exciting. That's the reason why I'm so kicked and so excited today and looking forward to my future. You must have heard about the mindset change. But then the question is, how do we change our mindset? The biggest realization I had was, till the time I don't change my attitude, my mindset can never change. But the biggest change is attitude change. Without my attitude change, मेरा रुख जैसा है, चीजों के प्रति मेरा रुख जैसा है. जब तक वो रुख नहीं बदलेगा, मेरी सोच नहीं बदल सकती. Because from the person who thought I knew everything, so can I change my attitude from I know it all to I need to know, I need to learn? From a person who thinks that I can't do it to become a person who has this attitude of doing things. So till the time we don't change our attitude, our mindset will never change. Because I have seen many people in my own team, they want to do this business, but they are not willing to change their attitude. They understand it, how important this is, but they are not willing to understand the link that till the time they don't become a positive person, they don't become a receptive person, the mindset can never be changed. I've seen people who keep talking about all the wrong things, who keep talking about what is not going right in their life. And despite their uplines telling them, they keep talking about the same old things. Because till the time we don't change our words, we don't change what we say and speak, our thoughts will never change. And till the time our thoughts don't change, our mindset will never change. And that is why learning is so important in our business. So the basic question is, are you excited about change? Are you excited about this opportunity and what all you will learn in this business? I remember when I received my book set from my uplines, I was so excited to learn. And I finished all my books in 2 days. And the change which I felt in my perspective about this industry was phenomenal. I remember going through the website, my virtual office, and reading about my company, reading about the company information, reading about the products. I was so excited. So the basic question is, are you welcoming this change in your life? Because till the time you're not willing, nobody can change you. And that is what I realized. For 10, 11 years when I was in my job, somewhere I was not mentally ready to change my life. And the day when I was restless to change my life, when I was mentally ready, that is when this opportunity came in my life. So my first and humble request to all of you is, be ready for that change in your life. Don't resist it. Don't fight it. This coronavirus, this period is just a test, but it again goes back to what is your attitude. Because I know people who were always positive about change, who were excited about changing their lives, they have adapted, adjusted, and they have taken this change in very positive way. Because I still hear some people who say, no, this Zoom meetings, this is good, but it is not like that good. It is not that great. The fun of meeting people one-on-one, face-to-face. I know, but till the time you're mentally resisting, you will not accept this change. So the second and the most important thing is, what are you choosing? Are you choosing the right things, or are you resisting the change? In your mind, what do you see? Do you see yourself a person who will accept it and cut and change and reach out the other side? Or you are the person who will keep crying, keep cribbing, and keep waiting? Today, it is proven technology and e-commerce is the present and the future. I remember Datusri was talking in one of the zone meetings that how the world will be changed forever. This is going to be the next normal. And that is the difference between 3%ers and 97%ers. 3%ers can foresee that change. They're excited about the change and they embrace that change. I remember I was watching on news few weeks back where traditional business owners, they were taking a funeral of e-commerce. They were so upset with the e-commerce. This is before the corona period. They were so upset that e-commerce has spoiled their business and they were so against e-commerce. But ask yourself, is e-commerce spoiling them, or is their rigidness of their mind which is spoiling their future? Their unwillingness to change, their unwillingness to go with the time. They're fighting against a tide. They're trying to stop a tsunami, which cannot happen. And similarly, it is not about those 97%ers who are outside this business, people who are inside this business. So true 97%ers and 3%ers actually exist in our business. So decide, choose wisely which category you belong to. Are you the person who's going to keep crying, who's going to resist, or who's going to be excited and be open and be willing to change fast? And why I love my company is because one of the fastest changing company on this planet is QNet. We understand the pace of change. We understand where the world is moving. And that is why we are changing so fast. And that is what is expected from each one of us. So make your choice wisely, guys. Be ready for change. And the third, the most exciting word in my life today, but least understood word, which I want to talk about, is change. I know this is direct selling industry, and the most scared word, most fearsome word that many of you would have heard is the chain business. Because chain is dictionary. Chain is the most important word of dictionary of 3%ers. Because if you are a person who owns a restaurant, you are a restaurant owner. But if you have a chain of restaurant, you are a multi-millionaire. And you can see all the millionaires own chains in this world. Whether it is telecom network, whether it is hotels, whether it is restaurants, whether it is internet, everything is a chain. Chain of resources, chain of people, chain of technology, chain. It's all chain. So when I understood that today, a person coming from a lower middle class family, also has an opportunity to build a very strong chain. I was very, very excited. But we need to understand what is the chain that we are building. Because when you sign up a person, when a person joins your hand, this is the most powerful relationship. This is the most powerful connect which can ever happen. This is the chain of trust. This is the chain of relationships. This is the chain of entrepreneurship. I remember my uplines, V partners Sachin Gupta, V partner Kavita, when they showed me the plan, they passed on that confidence and their belief in me. And I chose to trust them. And they honored that trust, and then they built me to pass on the same belief, conviction, and that trust to my people. So people who say this is a chain business, they are 100% right. You have to understand what they understand of chain and what is your understanding of chain. That is what ultimately matters, because they are operating from their mindset, and you need to change your mindset to understand the true potential of this chain. It's like somebody saying, imagine a middle class person saying Rolls Royce is a very big car. Imagine if somebody scratches the car, it will be so much of loss, no? So what he is saying is not wrong, because that person is right from their mindset. But if you are the owner of Rolls Royce, will you leave your car? Will you be influenced by their mindset, or will you just smile and drive away your car? And that is what the difference is. That is the difference between 3%ers and 97%ers. So my biggest learning is I don't have to convert anybody from their belief to my belief. I have to just believe in my purpose, my karma, and my business. And people who will have that fire, who will have that dream, who want to do something in their life will understand and will keep joining hands with me. So my question to you is, will you be that person who will hold the hand very firmly? When somebody will trust you, when somebody will give their dreams to you, will you hold their hand tightly and firmly? Are you holding your upline's hand strongly? This is that chain, guys. This is the chain that we're building. This is a chain of love. This is a chain of care. This is a chain of trust. And you can see this right from our founders, Dato Sri, Japa, V partners, our chief, right? All the V ambassadors till the last upline of yours. You can see the same DNA. And thank God somebody up there cared for me, made this master plan, and chose me for this business. Thank God I did not judge this business and I was willing to change. Thank God I made the right choices at the crucial times in this journey. And thank God this business and Almighty has rewarded me with little success that I have seen so far. But I know each one of you have the same platform, has the same opportunity. And as a person who has gone through this journey for 9 years, who has made all the mistakes possible in this business, and if I can do something in this business, I'm sure you can also make it. The question is, are you willing to change? Are you willing to make that choice for your life? So I wish you all the best, great success. Let's build this chain very, very strong. And this is the time to pay it forward, guys. This is the time to hold more people's hand, because the world right now is burning. This is not the time to relax. This is not the time to just wait and watch. This is the time to act. Make your strong chain. Don't be scared. Don't ever stop looking at those people who don't understand this business. Choose your people, hold their hands, and build a strong team. And remember, when nobody is watching, he is watching. So whether we are connected virtually or physically, it does not really matter, because He is watching wherever we are. He's watching our intent, He's watching our efforts. And like Datosi says, not even a blade of grass moves without His will. So remember, we all are in this business because of His will. So if you are in this chain business, it was destined, like it happened to me. Now the question is, will you change? So all the best. Thank you very much. Love you. God bless you.